What up? Dwayne the Wrench here. We got the girl back. We finally got her back. Today's a beautiful day. B&B Auto Haas, excuse me. Did the Vanos lines, the rod bearings. I have been enjoying this fucker a little bit. Just trying to get some goodness out of her, and it sounds good. It's very loud on the top end. Not stupid loud, but still, I mean, and then there's a lot of burbles and gurgles. So here we go. I need to put a camera in the back so you guys can hear this note. Straight piped all the way back. Fuck yeah. Cheers.